Igbo Area TV, on the Igbo.
Hello. Sincerely, I'm wondering what is creating the recent buzz about the Second Niger Bridge. I don't know why some people will not let sleeping dog lie. I don't know why people have to do rhetorics on that. As we all know, the Igbos have been the one people of the Southeast region clamoring for a second Niger Bridge to help ease even the traffic, the hold-up, as some call it, on the other bridge, the Niger, the main one that we are using right now. Igbos have been crying, government upon government. Each time there is an election, the government come to approach the Southeasterners, telling them we'll give you this bridge and to win their support. This has continued, government upon government, but it came to a point during Jonathan's reign in power. He promised to build a bridge, to construct the Second Niger Bridge, and it was contracted to a Chinese company. But we had later that the government is only paying part of the money for that bridge, that we, the users of the bridge, will have to take care of the rest of the payment, that the Chinese company will actually finish the bridge, then put a toll gate, and money will be collected for a period of maybe 30 years. So those using the bridge will be paying until the money is fully gotten. They will have to dismantle their checkpoint or, yes, toll gate, who knows. That is what we had. So all this while, those who are clamoring for a second Niger Bridge are the Southeasterners, mainly. But suddenly, I saw in the news people contending for what I don't know about the Second Niger Bridge. Here is what somebody wrote. He said, I have said this before in this column, and I would like to repeat it. The Second Niger Bridge is not an Igbo bridge. The Southeast cannot claim ownership of the bridge more than Delta and Edo states. Just as the first Niger Bridge did not belong to the Igbo, the Second Niger Bridge can't. The first Niger Bridge was built to connect the different eastern and western region. Neither the eastern nor western region laid claim to the bridge. Similarly, the people of Onitsha doesn't own the bridge more than the people of Asaba. Anambra and Delta State are two equally gateway states on the eastern and western flanks of the bridge. As far as the bridge is concerned, the two are equal. I have never heard or read of politicians, stakeholders in Delta and Edo states laying claim to the bridge as those in the Southeast have been doing. The misguided insinuations about the bridge being of more value to the Southeast should stop if the people really want the bridge to be completed. Otherwise, the powers that be might decide to abandon it if and nothing will happen. My comments are a reaction to the recent claims by the chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum and governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, who over the weekend reportedly described the pace of work so far recorded by the federal government on the Second Niger Bridge as a major achievement for the Southeast geopolitical zone. This is absolutely uncalled for. How is the work done so far by the federal government on the bridge a major achievement for Southeast and not for South-South and Southwest that are part of and parcel of the bridge? How can the Southeast claim whatever achievement that has been recorded on the bridge alone without the other zones in the loop? It bothers me that the leaders who ought to be measured in their remarks express flippant talks just for political gratification. President Buhari is not asking for praise because there is not yet any major achievement on the bridge until it is completed. Pillars and cross beams under the construction are not the bridge. It is the completion of the bridge that would constitute what may then be called a major achievement. We are hoping that the bridge will be completed and not abandoned. Until then, it is better for politicians to hold their peace. What the elite should do is to help sort out any incompetence delaying the work. Sometimes, like the court cases pitching the Federal Ministry of Work and Housing with the host communities should be sorted out for the work to continue unhindered. Work on the bridge began in May 2015. Ever since then, the rumor mill has been awash with all kinds of speculations. The Southeast Zone appears to be most agitated. I would like to stress that the Second Niger Bridge is not an Igbo bridge. A bridge that equally destroys Anambra State at Onitsha and Delta State at Asaba cannot belong to the Igbo alone. I therefore can't understand why only the Igbo appear to be too forward about the bridge. Everybody should be calm and stop politicizing the bridge that would, in other crimes, go unnoticed until it is completed. Meanwhile, this writer, I don't know why he put up the write-up. His write-up is also unnecessary. Yes. The reason I say it's unnecessary is because I don't know why it is coming at this time too. All the while, it is the Southeasterners that were clamoring for the bridge. And I don't even know what he stands to gain with this write-up. It's creating unnecessary buzz. What is the intent of the bridge? It is to ease traffic on the other bridge. Yes, to at least some of the people can connect through there into where? Southeast. You realize most of the time, the problem we have is going into Southeast, not coming out of it. The hold up, the go slow, as some of us calls it, is in the entering of Southeast through the bridge, not coming out. And the bridge serves more of Southeast, not the other regions. Who uses the bridge the more? People who are going to Southeast. People who are going to Southeast uses the bridge more. This December, when it's Christmas, for example, who uses the bridge more? People who are traveling to Southeast to celebrate the festive season. So the Southeasterners uses more of the bridge. So when they clamor for the bridge to be fixed, I don't see anything wrong with it. All that while, like we said earlier, it is the Saudis that have been clamoring that the bridge should be rebuilt because it is going to serve them more than any other region. So, like I said again, this write-up that I just read is unnecessary. I don't know why people should create unnecessary contentions. Now, is there any plan for a control of the bridge? What are the plans? What does the bridge do? It is to link places, to link the other side to the other side. The person that is actually creating the contention is the writer himself. It is not the governor. The governor only expressed joy on what he has seen happening there. That's Governor of Ebonyi, Umahi. He's so happy, he's so pleased to see that work is ongoing. I don't know if people stand to gain anything from the bridge. It has become a trending news. It was so much talked about now. Are people going to be placed on the bridge? I'm trying to understand why the contention. Because what Umahi did is not even a problem, but the writer is the problem. I don't even understand what he calls Igbos trying to claim the bridge. Will Igbos mount themselves on the bridge after it's completed and, remain there claiming it is theirs? I don't even understand the reason for the write-up. People just make up things. And, fanning anti-ethnic embers. I think this writer should have concentrated on something else. He is a good writer. He should have spent his time writing something else. Such a write-up is not necessary. Okay, let's assume it is for the Southeast or the Southwest or the South-South. What is the gain there? The only reason for the bridge is a link. There is a water body, a river. People cannot easily cross with the canoes or the ships. People cannot easily move goods with the canoe or the ships there. So there is need for a bridge for vehicles. That is just what the bridge is doing. And I don't see why any Southeasterner will not be happy, because it makes transit easy. Please, we just read part of an article of a particular writer. We would like to know your contributions. These things for us at the Igbo Area TV, it's unnecessary. The contention is unnecessary. What Umahi said is proper. He is pleased that things have been made easy for we in the Southeast. And after all, we the Southeasterners are the people that made noise about this bridge more. That's clamored for it to be built. I don't know why at the moment there's a work in progress, somebody is coming out to write what? I don't know what it stands to benefit from. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.